Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Wait. Get under there. I'm gonna get you. Get in your tunnel. I'm gonna get you. Where is he? Where is he? I'm coming to get you. I'm coming to get you. Where'd you go? Wait. No fair. Don't make Mama crawl under there all the time. I'm too big. In a lot of ways. Go. Go. Hi. Don't. You're safer under there. I see you. Come on. Come on in. Mandy, come here. Mandy, come on. Aaron, come on in. Mandy, okay, never mind. Forget I called you, Mandy. Hi, Aaron. Come on in. Hi, sweetie. Hi. You gonna hide in your tunnel? It's fun. Hi. Hey, cutie pie. Kind of a low ceiling, isn't it? Oh my God. Pregnant ladies aren't made for this game. Oh. Hi. How come it's so blazing hot in here? Could it be because we have the dryer and the oven going and we're running around like maniacs under sheets? Oh, I don't know. I'm sweating to death. Look at you. Look how bad you're sweating. Look at your sweat mop. Good grief. It's not even hot outside, but it's bloody hot in here. Here he comes again. Here he comes again. Hi. 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 You having fun in there. Good.